I have waited 6 years to hear two words. He's guilty.
Such a striking resemblance right there of someone who was so beautiful to our community. The family of Sadie Roberts-Joseph says today has been a long time coming. The trial of her accused killer finally underway.
Perry Robinson was in the courtroom for the opening arguments and spoke with the victim's son. Perry.
Hey guys, Sadie's son told me after leaving the courtroom that today's trial is a step towards the closure he's been seeking since 2019.
Jason Roberts has had years to reflect on the murder of his mom, Sadie. And now that the trial is finally underway, there's only one thing he wants to hear.
I have waited 6 years to hear two words. He's guilty.
Sadie Roberts-Joseph was killed back in July of 2019. The community activist and founder of the Baton Rouge African American Museum was suffocated and put in the trunk of a car, allegedly by this man. Police believe Ron Bell, a former tenant of hers, killed her because he was behind on rent by about $1,000. News of the civil rights leader's killing sent shockwaves through Baton Rouge and across the country. And after 6 long years, the case is finally going to trial.
To be honest, I wasn't entirely certain that we were going to end up in court this time until Monday morning came and they hadn't called us and pushed it back. I almost didn't believe that we were going to court.
Tuesday was the first day Bill went before a jury after multiple delays and legal setbacks. Jason and his family sat just a few feet away from the man accused of killing his mother as they heard opening statements and witness testimonies, including DNA that was found at the crime scene. Jason told us he is thankful they are finally at this point, but he admits it has not been easy.
It's difficult when we're out in public and people who, initially knew her or followed the case in the beginning thought that this had already been concluded, that this is already wrapped up. And for them to see now that we're just now getting our day in court, it's been rough.
Despite the delays, he thinks justice is finally within reach.
Those who she helped, those who she loved and touched, we're still here, we're still fighting for her, and we are going to see this all the way through.
The second day of the trial will resume tomorrow morning with more witness testimonies. If convicted, he will be sentenced to life in prison. Guys, back to you.
All right, Perry, thank you.